search for two missing boys ended in the bottom of a lake.
Two friends drowned yesterday in Foot Lake near the Geeriyooday County Fairgrounds in Wilmar. The boys who died were 10-year-old Idris Hussein and 11-year-old Ahmed Hashi. Ashley Roberts joins us live from the lake in Wilmar. Ashley, what a sad story.
It really is, Kim. The Wilmar police chief says both boys lived in this neighborhood. He says after they received the call reporting them missing and learning they couldn't swim, rescue crews immediately became concerned. This all started yesterday evening around 6 o'clock, according to the police chief. He says the mother of one of the boys called police to report her son and his friend missing. While searching, they found one of the boys' shoes floating in Foot Lake near the dock at the entrance to the fairgrounds. When police arrived, they searched neighborhoods, the boys' homes, and the lake. About 4 hours after first arriving, search teams found the two boys in Foot Lake in only 4.5 feet of water. First responders tried to revive the victims, but their efforts were unsuccessful. Police say 10-year-old Idris Hussein and 11-year-old Ahmad Asi were pronounced dead at the hospital.
The whole community is grieving about this. It's affected our emergency responders. It's affected, everyone in the community, and we just ask for the thoughts and prayers for the family at this time.
Chief Felt says rescue crews face some challenges. He says the water was murky last night. Also, they were dealing with the issue of losing daylight, which meant low visibility while searching for those two boys. Pretty much for most of the day, community members have been stopping by and leaving flowers and balloons in their honor. Chief Felt also tells us there's no indication of foul play or neglect in this case. Kim?
Okay, Ashley Roberts reporting live for us from Wilmar. Thank you.